teacher. Alongside this, I am also an ambassador for the Global School Alliance and an examiner for the British Science Association. I chose Lanzhou Country Garden School, as to me, the school is trying to do something different when it comes to education in the Gansu province. As an IBPYP authorized school, it allows students to become open-minded, lifelong learners with the ability to inquire and reflect on situations that arise now or be there in the future. This provides the children with the ability to grow and problem solve. And they do it in a way where they can create their own unique personality. The students are amazing. They are communicators, open-minded, reflective, inquiring, caring and well-balanced individuals. For me, the most important thing when it comes to education is to create an environment where students are not afraid to take risks and make mistakes. I believe in hands-on, activity-based learning where students construct their own understanding through exploration and collaboration.